God is good all the time. All the time, God is good. My dear children, it is story time again, and I'm very happy to see you and share with you. If we had the willpower, we can achieve everything in life. Do you agree with me, children? Let us listen to this story and come to know how true this is. Once upon a time, in the seaside bushes, there was a nest with a single hatchling. His mother had gone in search of food and had not returned for a long time. The hatchling could walk around but still not yet ready to fly. He stood there by the shore and watched the sight of the other birds were busy picking out crabs and oysters, which the waves brought to the shore. The little bird was hungry, and he was now attempting to fly. His regular efforts helped him to make it up to the shore. He noticed that each time the waves hit the shore, the other birds rushed back, leaving their catch behind. The little bird thought, why not give it a try? After all, how many days can he remain hungry, isn't it? He successfully flew up to the shore. He even managed to get hold of a tiny crab. But alas, seeing a giant wave approaching, he ran off, leaving his catch, same as was done by the other birds. This happened several times. Now the little bird got tired and stood there watching the waves hopelessly. After a while, he noticed something interesting. He saw that the clams and crabs were not afraid of the waves. They remained where they were. It was only the birds who flew away from the waves. Now the little bird's eyes sparkled with an idea. Trotting slowly, he braved the waves, took a good grip into the soil, exactly like the crabs. When the waves covered him, he keenly noticed where the crabs had buried themselves, and when the waves retrieved, he happily trotted and plucked out all the hidden crabs. He satisfied his appetite and also shared it with other birds. This little bird can be taken as a role model to train ourselves to face anything that scares us. Similar to the situation faced by the little bird, we may face many challenges in life, but instead of running away, we should face it boldly. Therefore, my dear children, it is clear that we do not grow when things are easy. We grow when we face challenges. Best wishes for believing in yourself and understanding that there is something inside you which is greater than any obstacle. Thank you. May God bless you.